Alright, you guys, we're back in here. We've got this finally ready to go in. It's about time. We can put this on the crane and we can start transporting this bad boy out here. Okay, I say from here we can put it on the lift.
I would agree.
He said, I will agree, my friend.
Clockwork.
Like clockwork. Solid engine.
Very hard deja vu. I feel like I've done this 8 times before.
A million freaking times.
8 times or something.
It seems like a lifetime ago.
Beautiful. Oh, I have to tighten those before I lift. Said I sprayed some brake clean inside of my ratchet and a bunch of dirt came out. It must have been bound up. It wasn't spinning that good.
Man, we just got that thing.
Yeah, well, when you work on an old Chevy that is covered in oil, it tends to happen. 6. All right. GG, well played, Mr. Engine. Let's see if I won or not. Either I won and I get to collect my prize, or I lost and I wasted everything.
Did Ryan win the ultimate challenge of a mechanic?
Of rebuilding an entire engine. You don't need to know how to do this to be a mechanic.
Good old piece of wood holding her up. Nice and steady.
Good old reliable.
Woo!
Good job.
Alright, let's see if we can't fit a nice old engine in here. Oh. Woo! I'll get to wait for Ryan.
Make sure it was in enough so it wouldn't hit the door. I think it was out a little too far.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
Yes!
Sound like a transformer.
I think we just found a transformer.
Watch your leg.
Going a little bit more.
There you go. Now she's in.
Oh,
Sheesh!
been waiting on this for way too long, bro.
Close the door.
Yeah, I mean, put the stick in, but yeah.
Good stick. Oh!
Victory, bro, victory. Not yet, actually. We
Still gotta get it in the car. And you can tell Ryan has already gotten started without us. Like a little devil boy he is. Oh my god, right, Red.
You get a ticket?
No,
That's good.
I got a warning. Woo!
We love being white.
Oh,
I don't know if
white power is coming in clutch. The privilege is real.
That one in or not.
Well, I don't know.
We'll debate on it.
He did see my last name, so I mean, he knows I'm a Garcia. Like,
This is true.
I'm not fully white.
Oh, I already got the crane out.
Yeah, I see this.
Yeah, get the damn engine out. This is a pretty bright light.
It seems like this video is going to be almost exclusively under the shadow of the night.
Yeah.
This is gonna be a dark video for you, my guys.
Alrighty guys, well, the engine's here in front of the car. One thing to note, no, we never showed this because the engine was out of the car when we started the series. So yeah, we have the transmission jacked up just a little bit. It makes it easier to get the engine mated with the transmission. And then once everything is together, then we can slowly let down the transmission and the engine both at the same time.
Well, 3 stops later from auto parts stores, and all we get is 1 bolt. But we're not taking the car out for a drive tonight for a long time. We're not taking it home. We're gonna go back and we're gonna get this engine finished tonight. We'll be working in the dark. We don't care. It's gonna do what it takes.
The grind does not stop. All right, folks, starter's in. It's time to get a rig up this airbox here.
Why are we get a rigging it?
Well, we don't need it to fully be in yet. It just needs to be roughly in the right spot so we can test, make sure the engine runs. And if it doesn't, we throw the whole car in the trash.
Yeah, just all this work and chuck it.
We got the centerpiece on there. This bad boy goes on to here. Now you gotta put in the second half of our intake too. because we've got our mass airflow sensor, and that's important for the fuel-air ratio. And this should be everything that's actually required to start the vehicle, as far as I'm concerned. Okay. I'm scared, but
Moment of truth.
I guess, yeah, let's throw a battery in it and see if she comes to life.
Well, lights are powering on. You got electricity and stuff.
I think it's the key is probably cranked a click or two forward.
Possibly.
I'm scared.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Let's see if she fires. So it's actually it's been a couple of weeks since yeah, probably a couple of weeks since we did the first startup. We had a couple of issues. The first issue was an oil leak. So at first I thought it was a broken weld. We figured out it just had bad O-rings for the old dipstick tubes, for the old dipstick tube. I ended up replacing the entire oil pan because the first oil pan that I got, that you guys saw me put on, was cheap and crappy, and things just didn't line up right. And then we had a coolant leak.
A whole lot of leaking.
We ended up replacing the entire radiator. The upper tank for the radiator actually completely cracked. It was spewing coolant out of the top of the radiator when it built up pressure. So that's why we had to swap out the entire radiator. But after that, we were pretty much good, smooth sailing, no overheat. She's good, she's okay on gas. So we're just gonna do a little bit of ripping. It's getting dark, we'll do what we can.
We're gonna do a little rip skis, and then we're gonna pull up and talk about some of our future plans with the channel and with this build. Oh, she's looking mighty fine. So, we've got a lot of plans with this bad boy.
Lots of plans. I think the first thing we're gonna probably release will be just a short, redoing the headlights. They're really foggy. They could use nice sanding and clear coat. Maybe even a little tint spray. Who knows? Like a top.
Oh, nice and smooth. OEM as she should be.
As she should be. I think after headlights, we'll probably do fog lights. After fog lights, maybe rust repair.
Ooh.
I don't know. Honestly, the order of it all is not decided yet, but this car is going to be perfect. We're going to make her perfect. And I hope that you guys will come along on the journey with us.
But we've got a lot of plans with both of our cars. Especially once we get done building our cars, even the slightest. We're gonna actually take them out. Show the world. Show us the world. Meet new people, meet new faces.
Show people our cars, see other people's cars.
Tell stories that need to be told. Reach all the corners of the car community. A lot of adventures.
This is just the start.
Getting on to it.
Let's get it.
Yeah, legend status, ask about the name. I've been putting in work, collecting the fame. Up in the step while they watching the 10 in the game. Either you in it or just a critic.